Alright, so I'm going to attempt to film a quick room tour now that my kids are out of the room. Hopefully it'll be nice and quiet outside because it was very loud just a few minutes ago. There was some young people having what seemed like a party just outside our room, and let me tell you, it's amazing how quickly I've become a grumpy old lady. I just found it funny that I was sitting here thinking like, be quiet out there. But anyways, let's start with the room tour. So when you come in, this is what you see. On the left here, there is a closet. It's a pretty good size. We get a lot of hangers. Then up top, we have an extra pillow. On this side, we get some shelving to put all our junk. We also have a safe, which did not work for us. We did go to the front desk and let them know. They told us somebody was gonna come and take a look at it, but unfortunately I think we might have missed them because we don't spend a lot of time in the room. We are usually out and about, so we never ended up using the safe. Then on the right here we have the bathroom. It's a big bathroom, a lot of counter space. The shower is right here. And I love the shower in terms of like the shower head and the way the water comes out. In terms of like the what do you call, the state of the bathroom, it definitely looks, you know, worn, like it's seen better days. This thing keeps falling and my young one keeps picking it up and playing with it. This toilet paper holder thing is also, you know, falling apart. So there's definitely things that need fixing, but the main thing is that the shower works, the sink is fine. So yeah, let's get back out here. So here we have a bench where we dump all our stuff after we come home from the beach. So that's what you see here. Over on this side, we have a nice sized mirror, and take a look at my sparkly shirt. So pretty. I feel so fancy. We have two, I don't know what size these beds are, queens. I think these are two queen size beds, and we just push them together. I sleep on that end, my husband sleeps on this end, and the kids sleep in the middle so we can protect them from falling off. There's two night tables on each side. We have this big table here, a TV. You don't get a lot of channels, and the TV is also very fuzzy. You can catch a few movies here and there that are in English, but I think most of the channels are in Spanish. I forgot to mention, our room also got a coffee maker, which we have not used, and apparently not every room has one. Our in-laws, or my in-laws, their room doesn't have a coffee maker, so I'm gonna try and use it before we leave and take advantage of that. We also get another table here, a chair. There's this bed right here, which I have taken over with all of my stuff. So yeah. And then out here we have a little patio, which we really only use to hang our clothing to dry. We don't really sit out here, mostly because we don't have much of a view. Yeah, we just get a view of a house, or I don't know, that might be another resort. The door here is another thing that's kind of falling apart. Like, this thing is very loose. When you open it, it's really hard to open, and it creaks really badly, or it squeaks really loudly. There is a lock up there because it doesn't, it doesn't like fully close, but there is a lock up there, so there's that. The room, as I said, is not perfect by any means. It's old, you know, it needs some fixing, but for us, you know, we just use it to sleep, to hold our stuff, and so, you know, it is what it is. Oh, there is also air conditioning, and the air conditioning works great. Definitely helps us escape the heat. So yeah, it's just an okay room that needs some work. So keep that in mind. If you're expecting, you know, top of the line, you're not gonna get it. It's just what you need to get by, I guess. So yeah, that's our room tour. Dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it. And here's my little guy scaring everyone on the beach with a toy shark. It's pretty convincing, no? Shark in the water! Whoa! Good morning. So I am up nice and early, heading down to get some breakfast because the plan today is to head down to Varadero with my mother-in-law. Apparently there are a few new things that I haven't seen before. I mean, I haven't been here for a long time, over 15 years. So that is the plan today, and hopefully I'll get to film all of it. So I'll check back in a minute. Yeah, so we're just checking the bus route. We are right here, and we're gonna go all the way down. Does it say? Oh yeah, Calle 44, right? Street 44. And it's $5 to ride the bus. And you can ride it all day till 4. Oh no! Why? Oh. Well, never mind. I thought that was our bus. Okay, bus number 2 is coming. Let's hope this one stops for us. And I think that one looks more busy. Oh yeah, the top is packed. Yeah, that's the one that stops. Alright, can we get on? Let's see. So we made it to Plaza America, a little shopping center. We're gonna check it out. I wonder if it's even open yet. Cuban time, I don't know if they open things early or later. So it was about, that was what, about maybe like a 20-minute bus ride to get here? Wasn't too bad. Gonna check out the map. Might be here a little too early. Casa del Habano, spa, cafeteria. Oh, they have a cafeteria, pharmacy, a bank, souvenir shop, Puma. I don't see a time. Where are the red dots? So we're down there. So yeah, we could probably walk here and go all the way around. Oh, and I think you can walk down there and get close to the water. We could do that after. Yeah.
Take a little walk down. Yep.
Oh, and then they have like some like a, yeah. But yeah, that looks like it'd be a nice walk down there if we're allowed to go down there eventually. We're gonna go check out down here. See what there is. Oh yeah, We're just admiring the stained glass up top. There's an octopus. Might not be able to see with the sun, but should we take a look over here? Just want to see what's over here. Wow, this is a lovely beach area. And look over there. I like the rock over there. So nice. Must be a restaurant up top maybe. There's also a really cool building over there. Ooh, that's a nice blouse. Pretty. Okay, so we're gonna hop on the bus again and head closer to town. I did buy a little mug. So yeah, it's actually a really nice little mall. So that's right, back on the bus. Varadero. We got off the bus to check out this tower thing. I remember always seeing this driving by on our way to our resorts. I'm gonna try to get to the other side and then check it out. If we have to pay, we're just gonna walk around the outside. So yeah. Wow, look at this. Look at these cactus. They're beautiful. Go over here. This might be the entrance. Very nice. Looks like it might be closed right now. Not opened. And then over here we have a sculpture of a burro, and I'm assuming this is Don Quixote. Oh, my oldest, he would have loved this. He's my little artist. He appreciates these things with me. Very cool. And then here we have the giant tower. Wow. Yeah, it doesn't look like you can go in. Oh, there's a dead bird down there.
He didn't make the climb.
No. See if I can get in here.
My goodness. But it
Oh yeah,
was
you
the
can see the
oldest
steps going all the way up. Oh yeah. Oh,
She wanted to risk her life.
yeah, that's pretty neat. Very cool. Anyways, I think that's it. That's it for the tower. We'll probably get back on the bus and again try and make our way down to Varadero town. But yeah, such a nice day out today.